Do it again.
Good job, Jackie.
Oftentimes, toys available on shelf, they're not always accessible to children with complex bodies or unique access methods.
Push again. But it could.
Adaptive toys like this are not available for kids at Target.
You get to pick out one of these toys. I know, it's exciting.
So what Clark's Toy Shop does is it gives adaptive toys to kids based on their particular physical impairment, based on needs of the student, and allows them to participate in toys that they're able to actually use.
Good job, Jack.
We had a preschool student named Clark Nease who passed away. His family donated funds in his honor.
After Clark passed away, we did a lot of people in our lives wanted to do something to memorialize him. And we had a lot of people who wanted to give money to do that. So we knew how special Fletcher Miller is and how special the people are here. And we wanted to support Fletcher Miller in his name.
His therapy team here at school decided a really beautiful way to honor his memory was to adapt toys for our students.
Do it again. It means a lot.
Oh, you got mommy.
To see him excited and light up, just to get to see him explore toys that he can easily interact with that he wouldn't be able to interact with otherwise is amazing.
We love Fletcher Miller. Finding toys for kids like Emma can be challenging, but being in this community with other kids like Emma and these people who care a lot and who find toys that bring them so much joy.
Do you want it wrapped up in pretty paper?
We modify battery-operated toys to be switch accessible. A switch is an external component, often a pressure switch, to activate the toy in a different way.
Push the button again.
What Fletcher Miller has done here is created a venue where siblings can also come. They get to do arts and crafts, do adapted arts and crafts with their siblings, while their siblings get to go and pick out their adaptive toys from Clark's Toy Shop. It's really amazing.
What I really love about this event is that it's about more than just a gift. It's truly about belonging and bringing joy to kids through accessibility and inclusion.
Clark was a really happy, wonderful little boy.
He was just kind of a bright spot. He was a special kid.
To be able to see him directly impacting so many people and to see that live beyond the time he had here is, I think, more than anybody could hope for.
Dinosaur beats spiders.